The main goal of the policy enforcement task is to translate and verify the integrity of high-level security policies. So let's suppose to have a smart home in which we can use a calendar application. We also have a smart camera in the living room and two smart cameras in the bedroom. Then there is a speaker in the living room and another speaker in the bedroom. So by using a web interface, the user can define high-level security policies for the devices and services installed in the smart home. So after logging into the system, the user can start to define a new policy, and policies follow a trigger action programming paradigm. So to define a policy, the user must define a trigger. In this case, the trigger is every morning between 9 and noon. Then the user can link an action to the trigger, and in this case the action is do not record any video in the bedroom. The user can click on finish, and then the user can check the policy, and in this case there are no problems detected, and the user can translate the high-level policy into a set of low-level policies expressed in the XACML formalism. In this case, as there are two smart cameras in the bedroom, there will be two low-level policies. The first one will block the video recording on the first camera, and the second one will block the video recording on the second camera. The user can define multiple policies in the system. So for example, now the user is defining another policy that is every night audio actions do not record any audio in the living room. Also in this case, there are no problems between the defined policies, so the user can define again another policy. In this case, the user starts with the trigger every morning between 9 and noon, video actions, record video in the bedroom. Now, obviously, there is a problem with this policy, and in particular, this policy is inconsistent with the first one. So the interface assists users in understanding the problem, and the user can start a step-by-step simulation of the defined policies, and the simulation shows that in this case there are two inconsistent actions. So the user can, for example, decide to delete the last policy. Now, in this example, the user is trying to define still another policy every night. Do not record audio in the living room. Now, also in this case, there is a problem because this policy is redundant with the previous one. These two policies are the same. And also in this case, the step-by-step simulation helps the user understand the problem, and the user can decide to save or delete the defined policy